So yeah, and what I wanted to show is the difference in size. Look at on the 15-inch screen size. So we pick it up and we like put it here. Okay, there. Right? Look. See? More space. And I mean, if you just look at it, I guess it's not too much of a difference because it's actually 14.2. The screen, they call it a 14 inch, it's 14.2. So you're getting 0.8 less screen. I guess I can get used to it. The part that's gonna be tough getting used to is here. How it has so much more space here and here to put my hands. You see that? Look at all that space that I had to put my hand when typing. And it's so comfortable. It's like natural to me. Now here, how much space am I gonna have? Not much. There's still space though. It'll be a little tougher to reach these bottom keys, cause here I can, here on the 15-inch, I'll just be able to just slide up and down. See that? I had enough room to slide around and just type. Boop, 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 boop. And you might not like that. It's just something I got used to.Maybe it's better to be able to go like this without having to slide around, right? So I'm trying to look at the bright side, because I bought this without looking at it. Open box on Best Buy. So you buy a sight unseen, which Best Buy should at least put pictures of what it looks like and let you know, like, some extra details. You know, they just put acceptable, whatever. You know, they just give it like a little ranking as far as what condition the item is in, but you don't get pictures or anything like that. And they didn't tell me there was no box. I would have probably thought twice, but I'm kind of glad I just went ahead and did it. I bought it for $2,373. Normal price is $24.99. Right? So they told me I saved $178 or maybe $177, right? No box, but it did come with the MagSafe. I haven't seen any videos that actually show you what this cord looks like. It's braided. Now that I think about it, it's probably gonna be harder to clean than the original rubbery material, whatever they see. There you go. That looks even better. You can see. But this is gonna be hard to clean. It's gonna be a bee to clean, like, for real, because like there's grooves in it. Dirt's gonna get caught all up in there. You can probably use a toothbrush, but can you imagine something this thin trying to clean it with the toothbrush? Like, yeah. So, anywho, this is what it came with. MagSafe, USB-C on the other side. It plugs right into there. So that's pretty cool. That's pretty awesome, actually. And that's all I got. I mean, what else do I need, right? And again, this one was a lot cheaper because it didn't have a box. They had other open boxes that you would save like 30, 20, 50 bucks at the most. This one was almost a whopping, almost a whole $200. And I was wondering why. I thought when I got there it was gonna be all scratched up, but it's not. It's actually in pretty good condition. So the reason, obviously, that it was even cheaper than the other open boxes is that it didn't come with the box. So instead of open box, it should have said no box. Joking. But yeah, but this was my baby. This has been my baby since 2012, and I loved it because this is the last one that you were able to open up. Had the disc. Had all the ports. You can open up, add more RAM, change the, take out the disc and add a SSD drive and all that good stuff. So yeah, that's been my baby for a long time, but it's slowing up. I'm getting messages of, yeah, I'm in the NFTs and all that, and crypto. See, MetaMask, baby. And this is one of the big reasons why I needed it. This was slowing down. I need to be able to DeFi on my computer, on my laptop, to DeFi in peace and to edit and create content.